The 254 million peso flood control project in Pampanga is under fire after collapsed sheet piles raised questions of substandard work. Here's a report.
DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon was visibly frustrated during his inspection of a 254 million peso flood control project in Arayat, Pampanga. The secretary found a row of collapsed sheet piles that had remained unrepaired for over a year.
Dalawa lang to, it's either maging pagkagawa nyo o design flaw. Yun lang yun.
Nasundan naman po, pero ako ang tingin ko kasi, bumigay yung sheet pile na nabali. Kasi kung mababaw po yan, kasi sasama siya eh. Kasi at least yung mga...
Hindi kaya, kung nabagi ang sheet pile, may problema sa pagkagawa nyo kung nabagi yung sheet pile.
The contractor insisted the pile should have been 30 meters deep, anchored along the riverbank, and vowed to finish the repair soon. But that explanation did not sit well with Dizon and with Independent Committee on Infrastructure Advisor Baguio Mayor Benjamin Magalong.
Ang embedment ho nito, according sa soil test, ito tinawagan ko na ho, no? Umabot lang ho na mga 18 to 20
meters.
Pero ang mukhang ginamit nyo lang dito, iniklian nyo kayo bumagsak. Hindi talaga kayo umabot sa 30 na sinasabi nyo.
Sino nagsabi sa inyong ugitin na ganito? Yung DE dito?
Dizon suspects the project may have been substandard and even subcontracted to another company. He further questioned the design of the project, noting the absence of the district engineer who drafted the plans.
Ito, kailangan talaga ng flood control dito. Kitang-kita mo naman, ang laki ng ilog eh. Diba? Pero, kinakantado na naman ng mga tao dito yung flood control project na to. Kamukha ano nakikita natin sa ibang lugar. Luzon pa lang to ha.
Aside from that, the ICI team also visited another SALT project in Arayat, a bridge that has remained unfinished for 8 years since 2017. Officials believe the project was left hanging due to a lack of funds, with the flood control projects in the area apparently given more priority. District engineers involved in the unfinished projects are set to receive show cause orders.
7 years yung bridge because yung pera pinasok sa flood control projects na walang kwenta naman.
Well, since nakikita na rin natin si Secretary Vince Dizon kanina, no, nagkaroon tayo ng ulat na inirerekomenda niya sa AMLAC na i-freeze din yung air assets na worth 5 billion ni
4.7 billion.
Ni Representative Zaldico.
Sana lahat may
tatlong helicopter, isang
Gulfstream.
Yeah,
for reference lang, the Gulfstream was alleged na yung ginamit kay PRRD. But hindi. It has been denied. Parang iba daw ang tail number.
Akala ko ngayon.
Akala lang iba yun. Kasi ang kiniklaim was walang ginastos ng gobyerno. It was from an ally daw, di ba? Pero ang tail number daw hindi pareho. Pero let's see, kung sumali mo, may mga ibang aeroplano pa dyan na nakatago.
Exactly. And going back dito sa report nga na ito na inspection na ginawa sa Pampanga, again, kanina Bulacan pa lang yun. Ito, Pampanga pa lang ito. Alamin mo pa yung ibang pang mga lugar na binabaha dito. Dito lang sa Metro Manila, ang dami. 'Di ba? Yun nga lang pinuntahan ko for documentary sa Binyan na ang tagal-tagal na nung mga residente doon na nakalubog sa baha. Yan ang isa pang mga dapat tignan nila. So, wag po tayo magugulat sa mga talagang makikita natin in the coming days na talagang mga substandard or mga ghost na mga projects para sa flood control.